Hexagon Jester hat tutorial. I will be using a size J hook and red heart yarn in the color neon stripe as well as big twists color aqua. This pattern is worked with 3 rows of neon stripe, 3 rows of aqua and 3 more rows of neon stripe for a total of 9 rows. How to make a hexagon. Chain 4 and connect back into the first chain to make a little ring. Chain 3 into the ring place 2 double crochets. Chain 1, place 3 double crochets. You just made 2 sides of your hexagon. Do this until you have 6 sides or 6 clusters of 3 with chain 1s in between. Make sure to crochet over your tail. Slip stitch into top of your chain 3. Chain 3 and turn. Time to make corners. Our chain 3 counts as a double crochet for the first cluster. In between each cluster, place 3 double crochet, chain 3, and another 3 double crochet. Do this until you have completed 6 corners. As we will always do, connect your sides by slip stitching to the top of our chain 3. Chain 3 and turn. Now we start on a side stitch. In our sides, we need 3 double crochet. Our chain 3 counts as one of those. Then we are at a corner. Place a corner, like how we did in the last row. Then another side, and so on. Slip stitch into top of chain 3. Chain 1 and trim, pull the yarn through. You can weave in your ends now or later, that's up to you. Grab your second color. Pick any side gap to attach it at. Simply pull it through with your hook and chain 1 with both the tail and working yarn so that it is more secure. Chain 2, More, start working your sides and corners. Continue working rows until you have 3 rows of the second color. Do 3 more rows of the first color or an alternate third color of your choice. You should have 9 rows at the end of your hexagon. Time to fold our hat and sew the sides. Thread a long piece of yarn onto a yarn needle. Whip stitch up the sides of your hexagon after folding. After both sides are sewn together, weave in your ends. Now we make the brim. Chain 11. In second chain from hook, start rows of back loop only single crochet. Continue working rows until it wraps comfortably around your head. You want it snug but not too tight. And definitely not loose or the hat won't stay on. Cut a long string. Using the whip stitch, sew your brim onto the hat. If your brim is shorter than the hat is around, skip a stitch or two every now and then on the hat to make it line up. Sew up the side of your brim. Weave in your ends. Apply pom-poms, stars, hearts, or whatever applique you desire to the tips. Finished hat. Thanks for watching.